I'm so embarrassed. I told my boss I was constipated. But I just meant I was confused. Hey friends! Today, we're talking about false friends, words that look like words in your language, but in English, they mean something totally different. Let's not embarrass ourselves again, okay? What are false friends? False friends are like sneaky twins. They look familiar, but they don't mean what you think. Here are some examples. Spanish speakers. I'm constipated. I'm confused. In Spanish, constipado, congested. But in English, constipated bathroom problems. Another one. I assist a big company. I attend a big company. In English, assist to help. But in French or Spanish, assistir often means to attend. And she's sensible, so she cried. Wrong? She's sensitive, so she cried. In English, sensible, practical, logical. But in many languages, it looks like sensitive. Tricky, right? How to avoid false friends. Don't trust your eyes. Just because a word looks like one you know, doesn't mean it's the same. Check example sentences. Look it up in a dictionary with real phrases. Context is key. Make a funny list of your top 10 false friends. Like this one. I'm actually nervous. I'm currently nervous. Actually in English, in fact, not currently. Bonus joke. False friends are like that friend who says, I'll be there at 6, and shows up at 8. Choose the correct meaning. I'm embarrassed, meaning, I feel awkward. I'm sensible, meaning, I make smart decisions. He is constipated, meaning, he can't go to the bathroom. Don't get fooled again. So remember, false friends look familiar, but they're liars. Always check the real English meaning. Learn with examples, not just the word. Now tell me in the comments, which false friend has tricked you before? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time. See you on My Favorite English Teacher. Bye.